Hello, hello. Welcome to our fake live today. I have got a great little ditty for you. It is called Autumn's Loveliest, or it's called Loveliest Smile, and it is this cute one. That autumn is the year's last loveliest smile. Very, very cute. And I have a great technique that I want to show you. So, without further ado, let us get to work. So I have with me this canvas board, okay? It is a 5x7 canvas board. And I am mixing up some chalk. This is our curry chalk, okay? So this is curry, nice warm autumn color. And then we're using papaya here. So I put a little papaya in my dish and I'm just going to fill that with water. And I'm just going to start mixing it up and making a really beautifully colored water, okay? So real watery, kind of dissolve the chalk in there if you can. This is just one of our color trays. They come in a 24 pack. Okay, perfect. So we've got our water, our curry water, and our papaya water, okay? So curry and papaya. And I'm going to use this awesome paintbrush, and I'm just going to paint the background on here as nicely as I can. I'm using papaya and try to give a little bit of a darker wash up here and then lighter as we go down. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse that out in some water. So now my brush is clean again, and I'm gonna go into this papaya a little bit. And I'm gonna start down here and work my way up. And I'm gonna go back and forth for about 3 brush strokes worth, just to kind of blend these colors, okay? And now what I'm gonna do, because these are nice, they're pretty nice and blended, but I'm gonna take a little bit of a paper towel and just kind of dab where I know there's a lot of juice, right? We've got a lot of juice. And then I'm gonna kind of go back over this a little bit. Okay, now, so this has a nice, pretty, let me get a little bit more of that orange papaya up here. It's gonna have a nice fall color. Okay, so what I wanna do now is I have there are 2 little tiny pieces I wanna get off of here because I don't want them on my canvas. Okay, now we're gonna dry this. So you're just gonna take your dryer, your blow dryer or whatever, and just kind of go in here and dry it as much as you can. It's very, very, very pretty. If you want to do this with any of our shimmers, you could use the copper shimmer, which is similar in color to papaya, or you could use the harvest shimmer, which is similar to our curry. And that would make a beautiful shimmery background. Just kind of, all right, so, oh, that's not dry. Let me see how much I wrecked it. Just kind of wash it again with some of the papaya. It's watercolor really, so it's okay. There we go. I took a dry, there we go. I took a little drier paintbrush and just kind of filled in that area where I accidentally wiped it off. So we're just drying, dry, dry, dry. Once I think that this is really dry, I'm gonna go ahead and let that air out a little bit. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna take our autumn transfer and I will fuzz it. I'm gonna fuzz it a little bit so that it's not super sticky, but I do want it sticky because this is canvas. But the good news is it fits perfectly because this is 5 by 7 and this is 5 by 7. Now I'm gonna do the outside in this beautiful copper shimmer. So I'm just going to carefully work my way around using my multi-tool, okay? This is the multi-tool. Not to be confused with our detail tool. The detail tool has even a more precise squeegee on the end. It's even tinier than this. But this is the job for the multi-tool. So have no fear. We're just going to keep working our way around, getting all of this in here. There are some leaves in here and some little acorns. There we go. And then I'm going to come in with some bark and I'm going to do these letters. Another beautiful technique with this transfer would be ombre, just to ombre the whole thing. That would be gorgeous. Absolutely. I love it. Okay, so we've got all of that done. And I'm gonna go back and get those letters. They're gonna be a little bit darker with our bark color. So this is our bark, just getting it all stirred up. And I'm going to grab a different detail tool because I still want to use this because it's a small, you know, we're working in a small space. And I don't want too much, like I don't want too much crossover between the colors. If any at all, right? Like hopefully none at all. But if a little bit happens, that's kind of okay. Because it is fall, it's beautiful, it's shimmery. So this whole thing will be finished. Just gonna kind of get all of those lines off. Put the excess back into my holder here. If you guys are new and this is the first time you're catching me on a live, I would love it if you would type add me in the comments. That will allow me to send you a little message and I can invite you into my free group where you're gonna get ideas, inspiration, and insider information. So I'm ready for our reveal. Are you? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I will hold that up for you guys. I will show you. This is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and dry it off a little bit so that I can touch it and I won't mess with it. But wait till you see it up close. It's so pretty. The background is beautiful. Autumn is the year's last loveliest smile. How cute. If you have our awesome board and base at home, one of the things that you can do, what did I do with it? one of the things that you can do is you can pop this right into the base like that, and it completely fits. You could decorate this if you wanted. Let me hold this up for you. And I'm gonna tell you, I've been telling you guys this all week, but look at how cute. If you haven't checked out our Club Couture, right now is the time. Type club in the comments. I'll give you all the information. There's a awesome promotion for free shipping going on right now for all of our club members. So type club and check that out. The last thing is, if you're interested or curious about becoming a designer like me, type team in the comments and I'll get you an invite to our opportunity group where you can watch a video and check out all of the stuff to become a designer and what it takes and how you can make money and all of that jazz. So very cool. This was a sweet and simple project, so easy, just a few chalk paste colors, little water, and voila, super cute. I hope you guys have a great time, a great day. I will be back Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern time with a brand new live in person, not a fake live. I hope you've enjoyed all my videos so far. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye guys.